Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a quick introduction to the channel video on the new Makita 18 volt LXT X-Lock grinder with the braking technology in it, as well as we got some other items for the grinder. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, so before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so today we got a introduction to the channel video. I release the introduction videos to the channel as soon as I'm done editing them, before the unboxing and everything, even though it's already out the box. So this is the brand new Makita 18 volt LXT brushless 4.5 inch 5 inch PaddleSwitch X-Lock angle grinder with the AFT technology tool only in it. I got this and I got a free 5 with it. This is model X-Ray Alpha George or Greg 26Z as in Zelda or Zebra. Alright, so I have a bunch of Diablo blades here. I got 5 Diablo 4.5 inch 0 to 40 0.045 of an inch or 1.2 millimeter thick cutoff discs. I have the cutoff discs that are raised. These are the 1/16 cutoff discs or 1.6 millimeter 4.5. I have grinding discs. These are 4.5 inch as well. They're all made by Diablo for the X-Lock, and these are 1/4 inch grinding surface discs, 6 millimeter, as well as I got 3 flap discs, and these are Diablo Steel Demons X-Lock capable 4.5 inch, and they're 40 grit. So I picked those up. That was about 50 bucks right there for these, which is not bad at all. Now the grinder did come with the grinder. I got the battery separate, didn't come in this box. Handle, it has the regular open face 5 inch shroud. It has the enclosed shroud, which is 5 inch or 125 millimeters. It comes with one 12,250 RPM X-Lock 5 inch 0.045 thousandths of an inch by 7/8 arbor disc, cutoff disc, and this is 5 inch, as well as it does come with one grinding wheel, which is 5 inch as well, 1/4 inch thick, 7/8 arbor, 12,250 RPMs as well. There is definitely a difference. The 4 inch, 4.5 inch, 5 inch. If I put this one on top, you can see there is a difference. So it is 5 inch compared to 4 inch. It does look like the Makita is a little bit thinner though. If you look at both of these grinding discs, it says 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter. This one says 1/4 inch as well. But the Makita does not look like 1/4 inch. It's just a little shy. How shy? I don't know, about 1/16, maybe 1/8 shy of being as thick as the Diablo blades. But take this stuff down real quick. Move that grinder to the side. So close up, X-Ray Alpha Greg or George 26 Z as in Zelda Zebra. Alright, so the information on the side of the box is wheel diameter 5 inch max. You could put 4.5 inch on here as well. It says 4.5 inch 5 inch on the box. No load speed is 8,500 RPMs, which is not the fastest speed on the planet. I know the DeWalt 60 volt flex volts are like 9600, something like that. Spindle type X lock, lock on, lock off switch, no/yes. This does not have the lock on slide switch. It is a paddle switch. Overall length 14 3/4 of an inch, which I did measure it on that video, the other video. It is pretty close to that measurement. I measured it with battery, without battery, side measurements, handle measurements, weights. I did weights on it, without blades, without handle, without guards, without battery, with battery, and so on. All the variants that I could possibly think of for weights I did. With blade only, with guard only, without blade, with battery only, bare tool, you know, with handle, without handle, everything. With the enclosed guard, with the regular grinding open face guard. Net weight is 5.99 pounds with battery. This grinder is actually lighter than what the box says, and I could tell you right now that the speed is, on the braking capability is a lot faster than it states also. Where is it at? So, information on the side. BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enables the BL motor to run cooler and more efficient for longer life, delivers 8,500 RPMs. X-Lock quick change system allows for tool-free wheel changes with simple snap-on mounting and pull-release lever for change-out. Active feed sensing technology is the AFT at the top right here with AFT. Turns the motor off if rotation of the wheel is suddenly forced to stop. Electric brake stops the grinder or cut-off wheel in 2 seconds or less for maximum productivity. Automatic speed change technology adjusts the speed and torque during operation. Quick guard rotation allows easy tool use and adjustment for increased productivity. The wheel in 2 seconds or less. I'm 100% positive based off of playing with it. It feels more like 2 milliseconds, to be honest with you. Quick look real quick. We have the grinder here. I love this style guard system. So the flex volt, DeWalt 60 volt flex volt grinder, it's got this same style release lever to turn the guard. The difference is you push this button in and there's a pivot point directly right here that moves up to allow you to lock the guard in. On this one, it's a full cross back design, so it physically, you push it in, it slides the whole bar over, releases it here. Looks like this and the DeWalt Flex Volt, I believe, is the only grinders I've seen that have this style guard. And it's the most secure guard I've ever used on any grinder. None of the Milwaukee grinders I have, which I have several of them, have this design. The guard is very loose on the Milwaukees. For this one, it is not loose at all. It doesn't turn much at all. You know, maybe 1/64 of an inch at that. And it doesn't have any side wobble. There's no side wobble this way. It is quite loud without a blade on it. And it's as simple as this to put a blade on it. I need to pop the, there, it wasn't released enough. Simple as that. It stops extremely quick. So, and then if you want to release it, just pull the lever right here. Boom, blade pops off. We'll definitely be doing more videos on it, for sure. Here's the surface disc, 5-inch surface disc. This disc does have some vibration. pull it, it's released. This is the battery that I got for free. I have already charged it. All in all, it is a very nice unit. It's very comfortable in the hand. I am planning on doing demo videos where we cut some stuff apart with it, as well as possibly head-to-head videos where I put it head-to-head with some other possible grinders. I got the 7 to 9 inch Milwaukee rat tail fuel grinder. I have the 2980 braking grinder from Milwaukee. I have the old the older fuel grinder from Milwaukee as well, the one that you get mostly with, you know, you get free batteries and stuff with. I have a corded Bosch and a corded Makita grinder. I got this grinder now. I have the first generation of the 60 volt flex volt DeWalt grinder, as well as the second generation of the flex volt 60 volt grinder. And I have quite a few other grinders. I also have the Earthquake XT grinder. So, I've got some videos on that from a while back, probably a couple years ago now. Got plenty of grinders we could do videos on. You know, but that's all I got for you guys today. It's a quick introduction to the channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. You could have also gotten this free with the $399 new hammer drill and impact driver kit. I have the XDT16 right here, which came in that $399 kit, and the hammer drill is the XPH14. Problem is, I wasn't able to get this grinder free with that because that deal came out 4 to 7 days or so after I had already bought these tools. So I ended up buying the grinder bare tool, getting a free 5. I still got a bonus out of it, whether it was the grinder for free or a free 5. Free grinder would have been nice. Could have, but, you know, they jacked the 5 amp hours back up to $149, so the free 5 isn't bad either. You know, I either got a $179 tool for free or a $150 battery for free. You know, either way, it's still a bonus. Got plenty of videos coming out on this guy as well. One last thing, I want to say thank you to all the people that like, comment, and subscribe. Whether you like or dislike, you comment. People that watch, whether you're subscribed or not, as well as the people that use the affiliate links, and the people that use or watch the ads on the channel every once in a while on some of the videos. You guys are the reason the channel is monetized. I want to say that's very awesome of all of you guys to help me out. Never thought I would have gotten this far on YouTube being monetized, and I want to say thank you to all of you guys. You guys are the reason that the channel's making money. Things like this is coming to the channel because the channel is making money, and I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for you guys getting me there. So we're going to be doing tool testing on the channel as soon as I can pick up some Sheetmaster jaw horses, which seem to be out of stock in most places. And we're going to be using it. I need to use those for personal projects, but we're going to use them on the channel because we're going to have them to clamp wood down, because I'm going to be buying wood with the money that the channel's made. And also the tools that I have available to do tool testing on: hammer drills, impact drivers, recip saws, grinders, you name it, jigsaws. The tool brands I have available to me right now, because I have them, is Ryobi 18 volt, maybe the 40 volt in the future, I don't know. If anybody wants to provide some older Ryobi tools to do head-to-head testing, please contact me in the comments or under the YouTube description. My email is there. I have no issues, receiving tools to do videos on. A magnet just fell off my toolbox. Sorry, guys. You guys can contact me in the email. If you guys want to provide a tool, whether you bought one of the new HP tools and you have an older one, if you guys can help by providing tools to use, that'd be make it a lot cheaper on the channel as well as me. It gets really expensive buying every different tool brand and out of pocket, especially when the channel's not making a crap ton at the moment. And if you can't, it's no big deal. I don't mind if I receive any tools from you guys. I don't mind sending them back when the videos are done. Just let me know. You guys control a portion of what the content is available. I will try my best to make the content on what you guys would like to see the best I can. But the tools available is DeWalt. We got DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt extreme, 20 volt XR, 60 volt flex volt, 120 volt flex volt. We got Makita 7.2 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt, 36 volt X2, as well as we're going to be bringing to the channel 40 volt and 80 volt Makita tools that just came out. We got Milwaukee M12 and M18 brushless and brushed, fuel and non-fuel. We got Bosch Stick 18 volt. We got Metabo 18 volt and 12 volt. We have Earthquake XT 12 volt and 20 volt. We have Metabo HPT or Hitachi Power Tools 18 volt, 36 volt, multi-volt. Got we got lots of corded tools as well as pneumatic tools. I got Stanley. I got Black & Decker. I have Porter Cable, Makita, Bosch in corded. I also have Bosch 18 volt core. If any of those things interest you guys, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. If the tool brands that we have to use interest you, tool brands that I don't have that maybe you guys can let me know in the comments you would like to see maybe. Don't have Ego, any of their voltages. I don't have 40 volt Ryobi. Don't have Hart from Walmart. I don't have Hyper Tough from Walmart. I don't have any off-brand from Amazon. Don't have any Bauer or Hercules. The only Harbor Freight tools I have were the mechanic tools that they made, which was the Earthquake line, which I have the Earthquake line, XT line, in the pneumatic as well. Pneumatic got Snap-on, Aircat, we got Earthquake XT, we got Campbell Housefield, and a few others for the pneumatic. If any of that interests you guys, let me know what you guys want to see. I don't have Hilti or Festool or any of those brands. I don't have Rigid either. Let me know if you would like to see any of those brands on the channel and see what I can do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!